ルチャールのお兄さんが病気になった。ヒルチャールのお姉さんが看病して。
Alrighty, Halloween 2021 may be over, but at the time of this recording, there's still one more day until our HuTao comes back to the character banner. So you know what this is, HuTao inspired makeup tutorial. Let's go. So we're first going to start off with Huda Beauty's Coral Obsessions eyeshadow palette. We're going to take the tan brown color and put that all over our lids. This is going to act as our base, and it's also going to provide a foundation for the other colors that we're going to layer on. Remember to just blend as much as you can. I kind of went higher towards my brow bone just to feather the look out. Next, we're gonna take the darker reddish brown and concentrate that towards our lash line just to intensify the look a little bit more and to add more depth. Keep blending away so that the two colors can kind of melt together. We definitely don't want a harsh line where the two colors meet. Alrighty, time for the fun part. I'm going to be taking some face paint, or is it makeup paint? I'm not sure, I just bought this off of Amazon. And we basically want to recreate the flowers that are on HuTao's hat. Because I didn't have a whole lot of room to actually draw the flowers, I decided to opt in for some line work instead. Basically just drawing 5 lines in the shape of a flower, like this. I will say that this requires quite a steady hand. I tried to make them a little bit more petal-like as well, but there were some boo-boos there. And I just decided to draw through those flower shapes in a line. And then we're going to repeat that process on the other eye. To finish these flowers off, I'm going to be taking some yellow paint and just dot a yellow circle in the center of these petals. Next, I'm lining my eyes with the same red color that we used for the flower petals, and just starting from my inner corners and doing a slight cat wing towards the end. I didn't have any brown eyeliner, so I'm just taking a brown face paint and just going over the ends of the eyeliner, giving it more of a defined cat eye shape. I wanted this to represent the branches that are sticking out of HuTao's hat. And to finish off the eyeshadow look, I'm taking a shimmery red eyeshadow and just lining my bottom lash line with it. I'm trying to feather it out a little bit more since HuTao does have some eyeshadow on her eyes. Alright, now that we're done with the eyeshadow, we're just gonna curl our lashes and apply some mascara. Time for my favorite part. You're gonna apply some of that Pyro Elemental Power, and we're just heating up the toothpick a little bit with a lighter and then taking the toothpick and running it through our lashes, kind of like how you would apply mascara. And by wiggling it back and forth between your lashes, it's really gonna help declump some of the mascara and also curl your lashes a bit more. And now we're done with the entire eye look. But wait, there's more. So I'm taking a coral orangey blush and applying it to the highest points of my cheekbones, almost right underneath where my bottom lash line is. This is kind of what I've noticed HuTao has, but I also think it adds a very dolly-like look. Okay, I lied before. We're actually not done with the eye look. Next, I'm going to be taking a very shimmery, pearly iridescent eyeshadow. That's gonna be my Primo Gems. I'm summoning the power of the Primo Gems so that I can get Hu Tao. And we're just gonna apply some Primo Gems in our inner corners. Okay, now we're done with the entire look. Gotta do some of that Hilichurl dance song again. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I wish everyone good luck on their next wishes for Hu Tao.